Hi, my name is Andrew McLaren. I want to talk to you about ChemSpider, which lets you search for a chemical based off of its structure using this little draw tool. It's very, very useful, not too hard to use. And if you build something on here, you should be able to ask it, what is this called? So there's like, if I have something like this, drawn on the tool and give it a search. You can search for exact matches or things that are a little bit more flexible. And it should be able to look up the chemical and give you the chemical's name. So this is used for organic chemicals, really. This is using that IUPAC standard naming conventions. And you can use this to build most chemicals, and it should be able to figure out what it should be called using those naming rules. So this is very, very useful instead of using like ChatGPT, which terrible at this, or just using Google, which is very difficult to use when you're looking for a particular chemical, and like image search doesn't really work very well. So a tool like this is what I've found to be one of the best things. There are some things on GitHub that you can download, which are like an offline version of this. And a couple different websites use this type of format. But ChemSpider is the one that I've found so far that I like the most. And you can do all kinds of interesting little chemicals, and you can clean it up to make it look more like the standard way of writing it. And it should be able to find most of these things and name them for you. I have found some things I've drawn which it just wasn't able to name. I think it was because I drew something that wasn't possible, you know? But this will give you a couple different things that help you figure out how to get those names named, right? And there's a lot of nitpicky details with these things. So if you have a textbook, sometimes it really helps to have a tool like this to be able to search for what chemical we have here. And you can also do like resonance structures a little bit, um, all kinds of stuff, right? So there's these different things that you can kind of play around with and put different atoms on, and you can even save as and open different uh, document files and add your rings that have the resonance structure already in there. A ton of really cool things that you can use here. All right. Let me know if you have any other questions. I've got a lot more chemistry videos on my YouTube channel.